Hello, I will show you how to set the default browser in your window. For instance, I need to set the default browser is Chrome. So I will show you how to set. So first of all, go to setting open. After open, just go to your left side in a app, this one, and scroll down to default apps, this one. Just click it and scroll down to Chrome, Google Chrome, this one. Click. After open, start modify it immediately for this. Click here and select Chrome, then set down, and this one, Chrome, default, and this one, and this one, Chrome, just do for all. Yes, this one, Chrome, default, okay. Just change all. Yes. Ah, so that is how you can set the default browser, like a Chrome or any browser you need. Thank you. So make sure you subscribe, you like for more tutorial and videos.